What's up, guys? Boo-Boo617. Welcome back to the channel. Today's a special day. Today we're gonna finally install the test pipes on my 370Z Nismo. Let's go. So I'm on my way now to meet up with my boy, Big Old Motorsports. He's gonna help me install this. It's been a long time coming, guys. I was supposed to do this at my father's shop, but his shop has been completely busy. So I hit up my boy like, hey, you think when you're done over there, when you guys close down, I could pass by? And he's like, yeah, man, just bring it by, I'll hook you up. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do a few shots of the car currently, and then so before and after shots on how it sounds and things like that. Some pretty dope art. Show you guys some different shots of popping, because right now she pops. It's just hard to hear, but she definitely pops. It's just baby pops. I'm pretty sure with these test pipes it's gonna be nice and deep, muscular, manly pops, if you know what I mean. And then with the tune, forget about it. So I'm just gonna do some before and after shots to that. On our way, baby, on our way. Big Old Motorsports. Where you at, bro? Let's do a quick launch. I'm on second gear right now. Let go a little bit. Just a little bit of how it sounds right now inside the car. I'm gonna hit it a few more times before we get over there, though. Got you. From third to second. Oh yeah, it's gonna sound a lot deeper with these test pipes on, that's for sure. You'll see. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Woo! Alright, guys, so we just got to the shop. We got the man, the legend himself.
He's putting in work. You know who the one?
Big Old Motorsports.
617 Boo-Boo in the building.
Look what he's doing right now. This is a client's car. Look at this shit. This ain't touching his. This is not touching his. Y'all already seen the video. This is not touching his, but this shit's fire. This is a little project right now. This man's about to go to work. We got her up in the air now. Let's see what we got to work with. So we got the two cats here. Basically, all we got to do is take the O2 sensors out. The mad scientist is taking a look at, see what else we can do in here.
You know, coming up with the game plan.
Take these two out. And then the hard one is through the hood. You got to get a very long extension. Got the Nismo H pipe coming down, connected the axle backs. Alright, first we put a little bit of that looby dooby.
You know, lube.
Gotta get a little bit wet. I mean,
Break nothing at all.
socket for the O2 sensors, a 22. You already put the looby dooby in it, so it should be nice and easy, just like that. Here's the shit that make you go deaf right here.
They worth all the money when they work.
Alright, so we're done with the bottom pieces. Got those two out. Got the bracket that goes right here out. Got these two out. Now we're gonna get a little bit more involved and go into the deep end. Alright, so we got this one out. All we need now is to go from the top with a long extension and hit that. Same thing on this side. We have to get this bolt from the front. So through the engine bay.
We're going in deep. We digging deep. There she is. Deep.
Guys, this is the exact reason why I told y'all in the last video when I showed y'all this setup that this is not a good idea to do in your backyard. Do it in the shop. Get a professional. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Oh wow, that shit wasn't even recorded. Alright, a little bit of flame, cause we cooking, right, Big O?
We cooking, baby. Turn up the heat on this Nismo. They ain't ready for this. No se duerma.
No se duerma. We got the big breaker bar for this one. And this Corona has nobody going to no gym. There you go. Bang.
Hey, bro. Damn. Get out of the way.
Feel the difference. Oh yeah, this thing weighs a ton.
Like that a lot. Man.
Almost done, almost done. We just got the top bolts.
Yes, sir.
Strap.
Take my time, you clean it so it doesn't leak later on.
Two sensors on, and then we go to the top, tighten everything up, and that's it. Oh, she wrote. All right, guys, this is gonna be the official first startup. Oh, damn. Oh, wow, that's a big. That's a big difference. So, does she sound any different? You be the judge, eh? Look at that. Let's see. I would say so. I hit them pops a lot louder now. Now, when it gets tuned, oh man, I can't wait for that. Big shout outs to my brother, Big O Motorsports. Salute, my brother, salute. How you doing, everyone? Good morning. It's now the next day. As you can see, my voice is still in morning mode. So yes, we're gonna do a quick cold start because yesterday when we did it, it was in the shop and it was obviously a lot of echo. So let's check it out. This is pretty loud, like you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm pretty sure that was flame coming out. I'm pretty sure that was a loud pop. It probably didn't come on in that, but that was a loud pop. Anyways, it's super loud. But you know what I did last night, guys? After I got home and after I was under the car and I installed those test pipes and I seen how pretty they were, I decided to just get a full exhaust. I'm telling you, it's a money pit. It's a money pit. But you know what? It's all good. It's gonna sound even better than it does now. Because the setup that I got, I've had it on my 350Z, and I love the way it sounds. It sounds like a race car. But you know what, guys? You're gonna have to check that out on the next one. Once it comes in, we're gonna do the whole thing again. For the full exhaust. With that said, my guys,